Hi, it's Krista with ArtisticVegan.com and welcome back to my kitchen in another Artistic Vegan show. Today we are going to make avocado pesto. It's really amazing. When Gerald had it, he said, there's avocado in there? So you don't even notice that it's there. It's really creamy. It's highly alkalizing and healthy for you. It's oil-free, gluten-free, vegan, and everyone can have it and enjoy it, and you can serve it up however you want. We had ours on pasta, and to make the avocado pesto, you will need 1 avocado, or about the equivalent of 1 cup, 1/2 cup packed fresh basil leaves or 3/4 cup loose, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1/2 clove of garlic, or you could use 1 very small clove, 1/4 cup toasted pecans, or you could use pine nuts if you have them, 1 lime, or you could use a lemon if you have that instead, 2 tablespoons of water, and then you just take that, put it in your food processor, mix it together until it's ridiculously creamy, and then you can pop that in your fridge, and in about an hour the flavors will come together at their maximum potential and it'll be really fantastic. You can also use it right away. I prepared ours with some fusilli pasta, and I heated that up on the stove, and then meanwhile chopped an onion. I used a red onion, the entire thing, 1 poblano pepper roughly chopped after I took the stem and the seeds out of it, and then sauteed that in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable broth for probably about 5 to 7 minutes until the peppers were nice and well cooked through. And then I added about 1.5 cup of sweet corn, and you can use fresh, frozen, or canned, whatever you have in your kitchen, and heat that through, and then add the cooked pasta as well as the avocado pesto. And of course you can add tofurkey links. I did one night and that was really good. I actually used the breakfast sausage that we just featured. You can add beans if you wanted, since it's a southwestern dish. You can do really whatever you want with it and have it on pizza, however you want to have your avocado pesto. So I hope you really love this recipe. Thank you for spending your time with me. This has been Krista with ArtisticVegan.com. You can get the recipe there, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Thank you.